Today we're going to learn how to make this little sunflower pouch. You can use it to store earbuds or loose change. Hang it on your bag and it becomes a cute bag charm. It's both practical and beautiful. Next, let's see how to crochet it together. The sample shown in the video uses Zuffi or Mong doll yarn. A 2.0mm crochet hook. First, start with a magic ring. Pinch the crossed point of the ring with your thumb. Insert the hook through the loop. Yarn over and pull through. Chain 1 as a turning chain. Then crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Place a stitch marker on the first single crochet. Continue working single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochets completed. Tighten the ring. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Lay the yarn tail over the hook and hide it inside. Round 2, chain 1. Insert the hook into the first stitch, where you slip stitched. Crochet 1 single crochet first. Place a stitch marker on the first single crochet. No need to hide it here. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Crochet another single crochet. This makes 1 increase. Next, make an increase in every stitch. Round 2 has a total of 12 single crochets. Round 2 is finished. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 3, chain 1. 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Make an increase in the second stitch. Repeat this pattern for 6 sets. Round 3 has a total of 18 single crochets. Round 3 is finished. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 4, chain 1. 1 single crochet in the first stitch. 1 increase in the second stitch. One single crochet in the third stitch. Repeat this pattern for 6 sets. Round 4 has a total of 24 single crochets. Round 4 is finished. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 5, chain 1. Work away from the inner petals and insert the hook. First, crochet 3 single crochets. Make an increase in the fourth stitch. Repeat this pattern for 6 sets. Round 5 has a total of 30 single crochets. Finish with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 6, chain 1. Again, work in the back loop only. First, crochet 2 single crochets. Make an increase in the third stitch. Then crochet 2 more single crochets. Repeat this pattern for 6 sets. Round 6 has a total of 36 single crochets. Finish with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 7, chain 1. Work in the back loop only. First, crochet 5 single crochets. Make an increase in the 6th stitch. Repeat this pattern for 6 sets. Round 7 has a total of 42 single crochets. Finish with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 8, chain 1. Work in the back loop only. First, crochet 3 single crochets. Make an increase in the fourth stitch. Then crochet 3 single crochets. Repeat this pattern for 6 sets. Round 8 has a total of 48 single crochets. Finish with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Then chain 8 to form a hanging loop. Slip stitch back into the first stitch and fasten off. Use a yarn needle to hide the yarn tail. Next, crochet the flower center into the remaining front loops of round 4. Pick up one strand and insert the hook. Attach the yarn again. Yarn over and pull through. Chain 3 is a turning chain. Go back into the back bump of the first chain. Slip stitch. Skip one stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the back bump of the first chain. Skip one stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the back bump of the first chain. Skip one stitch and slip stitch. Continue repeating this pattern for one full round. Complete the last repeat. Slip stitch to the starting point. Pull the loop a little larger. Insert the hook into the front loop of round 5. Pull the loop through. Chain 3 again. Slip stitch into the back bump of the first chain. Skip one stitch and slip stitch. Continue following the same pattern. Work around into the front loops of round 6. A total of 3 rounds for the flower center. 3 rounds of the flower center are complete. Next, crochet the petals into the remaining front loops of round 7. Start working the petals. Take out the yellow yarn. Pull the yarn through. Chain 2. Work 1 double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Chain 2. Slip stitch back down at the base. This forms a picot stitch. In the same stitch, work another treble crochet. Next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Chain 2. This completes 1 petal set. Then slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 2 again. Start crocheting the second petal set. Repeat this pattern around the entire round. A total of 14 petals. All 14 petals are completed. Slip stitch into the starting stitch. Then chain 2 more stitches. Slip stitch into the third stitch of round 8. Insert the hook into the front loop only. Slip stitch over. Chain 2. Work 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Chain 2 picot. In the same stitch, work another treble crochet. Next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Chain 2. This offsets the petals from the first layer. Work 1 full round the same way, a total of 16 petals. The back piece follows the same increase pattern as the front piece. For rounds 5 to 8, work through both loops normally, crochet as usual. Then chain 60 to make the strap. Place the 2 pieces together, align the strap and hanging loop. Leave an opening for the pouch. Sew stitch to stitch. Leave the opening to store items. The sunflower pouch bag charm is finished.